it's Nat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have October's Zen Pop box to unbox. There's a lot of boxes. It's the Stationery October box. This box got a little bit damaged because when it comes to Australia, for some reason Australia Post put these like stickers and like wrappings on it. I'm not sure, and so to take it off so that you can see the whole box, it kind of rips the box a little bit, but that is okay. We care more about what's inside the box. Ooh. I am living for it. So Halloween Cuties is the October theme. I'm so excited for Halloween, even though I'm probably going to do nothing. I'd be lucky to see my niece if I can do her makeup, because still not sure if my family really want to do that, but I'm still excited for it. Okay, these are stickers that have got moved up a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can pull these down. Okay. Yeah, okay, these are little stickers that you can write messages on. So message seal is what they're called, I guess. They're really cute. Very cute. And I wouldn't have thought this was Halloween theme until I started realizing, I think this cat and this puppy have patch stickers, like they have stitches on their head. So it's a little more Halloweenish. And then we have some washi tape, really thin washi tape. I want to quickly open up. Hopefully you guys can see. It's like a bunch of geometric shapes. It's really nice. It's like gold foiling with some black. It feels like code. I don't know if you get that vibe, but I look at this and I'm like, oh, this is like a code breaker thing. Like it probably means or reads something. And then we have some stickers, like little cute sticker seals. I'm gonna open it up so you can see them in real life, but I feel like this is always a better view of the type of stickers you're getting. Okay, so I've come to learn these are like flake stickers, flakes, because they're all individual. I don't know if I'm gonna remember that term every time I open flake stickers, because we tend to get them quite a bit in a lot of our subscription boxes, but yes, that's what they are. I'm just gonna see if I can get a few out without making too much. Okay, all of them, even better. But yeah, they're mostly matte. They have this like, I don't know how to describe it. There's a bit of a texture to them, but not much, and there's like slight gold foiling around them as well. But they're very cute. Okay, let's gently put them aside so they don't fall on the floor. Yeah, it's not often you see a clear eraser. I think the whole point is that so you can see through what you're erasing, which is kind of the whole idea with highlighters that have that clear panel on the inside so you can see right through. I really like that clear panel on highlighters. I think it is genius. Okay, so here we have a letter set. Oh, actually, much better view here. The actual letter, the back of the letter, and the envelopes. I might not actually open this one because I think you can see it quite clearly, and I don't often use these letters. I use them more around, well, Christmas is coming up, for gifting, so I like to try and keep them stored together. Oh, paper clips and bookmarks for Monster Edition. That's interesting. Oh, look at this. Okay, so you can use it as a paper clip or a bookmark. You can put it in water for 5 minutes, and then you can stretch them and change their shape. That's kind of funny. Okay. Alright, I kind of see it. I don't know how to describe this. All I can think about is like really hard plasticky paper. Paper plastic is the best way I can describe it. That's really unique. What else? I think we've got like some party bags down here, which would be really cute for candy, actually. I wonder if I should put candy in these, so if we do get any trick-or-treaters, I can give them like a little bag of candy. Although I think this comes with how many? 5. Alright. Hey, we're lucky to even get 1 trick-or-treater, so if I had 5 trick-or-treaters, that would be amazing. And then we're left with some pens, so I will test. Oh, is this a Zen Pop pen? Honestly, I'm really loving the pens that are manufactured specifically for Zen Pop, because obviously the quality so far, I think I've gotten like one or two is really good. They're also using like reputable brands. That's a big reason why. But I'm not going to test this one. This is just a pencil, BH pencil. Yeah, but you can see, oh no, B bold pencil. But yeah, it's not sharpened. I'm not going to bother sharpening it. You guys know that when I get new pencils, I don't tend to do it because I am still using existing pencils. So let's give these a shot. You guys know that this test book that I use all the time for pens is like on its last few pages. Well, actually no, it's quite a few pages left. But I actually got this in a Zen Pop box, so I feel like it's just very appropriate for testing unboxed pencils and pens from these stationery boxes. All right. So the first one up is from Kuretake. It is the Zig Clean Color Dot. I don't know if I've unboxed these before, like I have the whole pack of them. So this would be an extra one. But I really love that they make the most perfect circular dots, and then also on one end you've got an actual marker. So just wanna, sorry, I'm just adjusting my camera so that it doesn't go in and out of focus, because if I come up close with my hand, I don't want it to focus on my hand, I want it to stay focused on here. So that is why. So let's try this pen part first. I was about to say Zip Pop. I don't know why. It's Zen Pop. Get it right, Celina. So it's that end, and then you've got this more highlighter end. And yeah, what I love is you can make these like perfect dots. I just love them because it's, for me, it's really hard to get a perfect circle. Or you can highlight if you want. It's up to you. But yes, I love these. I wish they had more colors. I think they only had like 12 or something colors. At least that's all I have. And I wish that they'd come up with more. And then this one is the Zen Pop Pen. I think it's a pen. Okay, yeah. I'm just reading the little note that comes with, that describes all the items. And they say this is the second one. Seriously, that first one, I use it so much. This one here, this was like their first one they made. I use it so much. And I'm so glad that they're actually using reputable brands. So this is Pentel, because it means that I can buy the refills for this. I just love that. It sits on my desk permanently. So this, ooh, Pentel Energel. No way. Are you serious? Okay, you guys know that the Pentel Energels are so popular, especially in the bullet journal industry, but I think it's like generally in the journaling because they're such good quality. And where is mine? Trust me to have it somewhere, but I can't find it. Okay. Somewhere. It's probably lodged in between my planners somewhere, so I can't actually get it out right now. But there's a blue version of this, which I have, which is the one I use every single day, like religiously. And I've gone through 2 refills. I'm on my 3rd refill now, so yeah, I love it. And I think this is that, but just in the Zen Pop packaging. Yeah, it is. It writes exactly the same. Oh my gosh. That is the perfect partnership. I'm so happy. Okay, officially this pen is the highlight, and it's orange. I guess it suits the whole Halloween theme being orange, but these are the two together. So the first one was a ballpoint pen. I don't know if you can buy these individually, but that's a badly written Zen Pop with ballpoint, 0.7, and this is 0.5 gel. Such a good decision. Very happy. All right, well, that's everything in October's Zen Pop. I am obsessed with these pens. I'm so happy. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.